How you can delete a request to join a Discord group on iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the Discord app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface shown in the screen. So now you can see there is view option at the bottom right corner of this homepage. So just tap on that profile icon, and once you tap on it, you can see there is settings option at the top right corner of this profile page. So just tap on that settings icon, and finally you will be able to see there is content and social at the third. So just select the third option, and once you just select it, finally you can see in server settings section there is direct message request, activity status, and activity joining. So you simply need to disable this activity joining, and yeah, you will be able to delete a request to join a Discord group on iPhone successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to delete a request to join a Discord group on iPhone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.